In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Zoom in Google Calendar. By the end, you'll be able to create Zoom meetings directly from your Google Calendar without switching tabs. We'll connect Zoom to your Google account, sign in from within Calendar, and then add a Zoom meeting to a new or existing event. Let's get started. First, install Zoom for Google Calendar. Head to the Google Workspace Marketplace in your browser. In the search bar, type Zoom for Google Workspace. Open the listing, then click Install. Choose the Google account you use for Calendar. When the permission screen appears, review what the add-on can access and click Allow. This connection lets Google Calendar talk to Zoom so it can create Zoom meetings right inside your events. If you're using a work or school account, you may need admin approval before you can install the add-on. Also, make sure you're installing it on the same Google account you plan to use in Calendar. Next, sign in to Zoom inside Google Calendar so the add-on can create meetings on your behalf. Open Google Calendar in your browser. On the right-hand sidebar, you'll see a vertical row of icons. Click the Zoom icon. A small panel will open. Click Sign In, then log in with your Zoom credentials. When prompted, authorize access so the add-on can schedule meetings. If you don't see the Zoom icon right away, refresh the calendar page. If it still doesn't appear, double-check that you installed the add-on on this Google account. Now you're ready to create a Zoom meeting in Google Calendar. Click Create to start a new event or open an existing one you want to convert to Zoom. Choose more options to open the full event editor. In the event details, click Add Video Conferencing and select Zoom Meeting from the list. Calendar will generate Zoom details for you, usually including the meeting link and settings based on your Zoom account. Add your guests, confirm the date, time, and time zone, and include any agenda notes in the description. When everything looks good, click Save. If you're adding guests, Calendar will prompt you to send invitations. Click Send so your attendees receive the Zoom link right in their email and on their calendars. That's it. Install the Zoom for Google Workspace add-on, sign in from the Calendar sidebar, and then add Zoom Meeting from the Events Video Conferencing menu. With this setup, scheduling becomes faster, your invites are clearer, and your meeting links are always in the right place.